We just got here. Me and Beto. But the smash. Hell yeah, dude. There's a bunch of fish over there. Yeah. You can see all the crappie right in there. Right in the trees. You on? They're just sitting right there. Alright. Catch you guys in a bit. 我喺辦公落水河，到個路大 crane 啊。Let you know that right now. There's a big ass tree that goes right out. Yeah. Ooh, this is a big one, dude. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, little 2-pounder. A point right here. Hopefully it wouldn't spook him. Right here. Oh, look at this. They're not big, but they're good eating size, dude. Yeah. Did they say yeah? String them. String them. Mà dude, cái khởi khởi cho có mong. Why not? Why not? Why not? Cái nữa. À dạ. Lừa bóng hả?
I just dropped my scissors.
Nice one, dude. Right here, dude. We're right on top of them. Oh, right there. Oh, look at this. Oh. Yeah. Right here. Oh my gosh. It's good. 9.5, maybe 10. Right here. Got him to take it. I got him to take it. Dude, you can see him in the tree right here. How do I get this guy to bite? Bring ice fishing jigs and just jig it right here. Oh, come on. Oh, I got him to take it. Right by the tree. Hell yeah. Ooh. Big one? Ooh, that's a big one. Hey, let me see that. Keep your line tight, dude. Oh, dude, slowly. Hey, bring him over here. Hey, bring him over here. I help you. Oh my God, dude. Keep reeling. Reel, dude, what you doing? Bring him over here. I hope you will. Hold on. Oh, he might jump one more time. Hold on, wait. Oh. That's a tank right there.
Right there, big.
Ooh. Oh, it did. Nope. Chua hết. Cởi trong xe. Tối bê khá sừng đẩy thò tay mót ta. There's one right there. Ooh, what's up? Ooh. Mm-hmm. 2-pounder. Here's a 2-pounder right here. It's a 2-pounder for sure. Let me see it. I'll show you. Damn, that's a nice long one though. Two what? Wanna bet? Two what? That's a 2-1. 218. 218. Fucking shit! Dude, there was 2 of them. There was one sitting right here too. What's up, bro? Fuck, man. Don't try to lose me another one. Another 2-pounder. You see how he fight? Dude, he was going, but dude, my fight was stronger. Ain't nobody lacking around here and shit, man. What the fuck? Shit, I gotta redeem myself. Oh yeah, crankbait, chatter, spinner.
How the fuck do you lose that much life?
There's a frog. It's a booyah frog.
Oh hell yeah!
2 booyah frogs at the same area. Ooh, dude. It's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Look at this. 2.5-pounder. Think all day. Huh? Hoo hoo hoo! Hoo! Big one? Oh! Dude! You saw that shit? Did you see that? Oh my gosh! Did you see how that thing flopped out of the water? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Dude, that thing was a fucking monster. Dude, that's a 5-pounder guarantee, dude.
2
Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is big too. Oh my God! Hey, relax, relax, bro, relax. Oh! Fuck yeah! Hell yeah! Oh my God! Yes! Fuck! Hell yeah! Dude, that's a fucking tank! Oh my gosh, look at that, yo! Oh, it's bleeding. Oh my gosh, look at this mama. Get a quick scale on it real quick. It's in the water. Guess, it's gotta be 4 pounds something. Yeah, we'll break 5. Hold on, chill, bro. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the other one would have been a 5-pounder, bro. The other one would have been a 5-pounder.
Oh, I gotta let it go. She's beating. Here she goes. Oh my God. Let's go, baby. I'm going home. Here's another one, dude. Ooh, this is another. Ooh, this is a big one. Ooh, it's going in the weeds. I lost it. I lost it. I lost it. Oh my God. Fuck. Dude. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I got you. Take your time. Hey, right, bring him over here, bro. I got you. Oh, dude, that thing is a fucking monster. Oh, let's go, baby. This is a 5. This is a 5-pounder. This is a fucking 5-pounder. This is a 5-pounder, yo. Dude, look at it. Look how it's hooked. Oh my God. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Oh my gosh, here. Here you have. Hold this thing. Hold this thing. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Let me see that. Damn. Again? Hey, you better set the hook again, bro. This shit gonna be big. Ah! Hey, don't set on the fucking twig, bro. Hey, that's on you, dude. Oh, that's double set on the fucking twig. Oh damn, dude, I never seen anybody set hook a double on a fucking twig, dude.